Hello, my name is METİN arkadaşlar. This is 317th part of explanation of my theory. Kabbalah Mysticism or current accepted relativistic physics. Do you believe mass bends the space-time? Do you believe mass or matter can be converted into energy? Do you believe walking can be converted to feet? Yes. Here, there are two atoms, one of hydrogen and the other helium. And they are not relocating, and there are no free electron motion form that produce and propagate consecutive light waves. There is no light. It is absolute zero. Okay, absolute zero. There is no gravitation. There is no light. There is no heat. But in spite of that, according to me, this is proton. These are protons and connected with electron motion forms with different wavelength. Characterizes atoms, specific hydrogen and helium atoms, as I told and explained to you before. And each cycle 1,884,000 kilometers per second, 6.28 times greater than the speed of light, tangential speed. Each of cycling is going on, and each point angular motion is going on, and each point has mass, energy, etc. And now here there is point 2.4 to 10 to the minus 35 kilogram point mass of hydrogenic atoms, electron, photon on its point. This is my mass formula. Then here there are two electrons, smaller wavelength than 91.155, one of what? One of, I don't remember now, but so according to this formula that I put forth, greater wavelength electrons point mass 4.37 10 to the minus 35, and smallest electrons point mass is 9.68 10 to the minus 35 kilogram. In this condition, there is no attraction between them. This is absolute darkness. In spite of absolute darkness, absolute zero cold conditions, cycling is going on. And highest point energies. There are highest point energies. There is no absorption and emission. There is no interaction with free electron motion forms consecutive waves, and finally, eventually, in spite of these two atoms and electrons have masses, these masses don't bend the space. Space, vacuum, I don't define it. There is only one thing that I put forth. Meta, sensation, perception, matter, and these are intrinsic motion forms of meta, sensation, perception, matter. Okay. There is no field, there is no vacuum, there is no nothingness. Okay. Yes. Have a good night. See you later then.